Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Circuit Joy Bluetooth not working in 2026. Now sometimes Bluetooth gets stuck or fails to detect the device properly. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you need to do, you need to simply open your Bluetooth settings. You can do it on your phone or on your PC. So currently I'm using my PC, so I'm going to just simply right click on the taskbar, then click on the option of taskbar settings. When you are inside the settings of your device, you just have to click on the option of Bluetooth and devices. Over here, make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on. So if it is turned on, you just have to click on it in order to turn it off. Afterwards, wait for 10 to 15 seconds and then click on it in order to turn it back on. After doing this, you just have to try reconnecting the circuit joy again and see if it is working properly. Now, if pairing data is corrupted, the device won't connect properly. So in order to fix it in the Bluetooth settings itself, you just have to simply click on the option of add device. After that, select the option of Bluetooth. Then when circuit joy is shown over here, you just have to simply click on the option of connect. This way you are going to pair circuit joy again. So if the device is not properly powered, it won't show in Bluetooth. So on circuit joy, you just have to basically turn off your machine. Afterwards, you just have to wait for a few seconds and then you need to turn it on again. Just make sure that the power light is solid after doing this particular step. So you can try these easy fixes and see if the Circuit Joy Bluetooth is working again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.